Okay, so today is going to be some Nduja and some Genoa salami. So there's the ingredients for the Nduja, as you can see, and here's the ingredients for the salami. There's obviously the meat to go in, but it's in the fridge in a minute. So next bit, we're going to mince it through. Okay, so the idea is to try and pack as much in this bun as I can, so let's just see how we go. I'll just bring the mixture to the front first, just to make sure I'm pushing the air out. There's bits pockets of air, but we'll sort them out later. So, right, here we go. Might look a bit disgusting, but hey, why not? Just don't worry about it. Show you where I'm up to now. So I've stuffed it in the buns. I've brushed it with the penicillium, the good friendly bacteria. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to prick this with sterilised needles to make sure there's no air pocket as such. I'm going to put this in a netting, and then obviously it'll go in the fermentation chamber. Okay. Okay people, this is my wares for today. So we've got Nduja, some of the ox bung, the other half split, so I've put them into normal skins. And then we've got some Genoa salami, which all looks amazing. All mixed by hand, expertly done, if I don't say so myself. So now this is going to go into the fermentation chamber until the pH drops. Have a nice day.